Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm super excited to show you my favorite lipsticks for fall for my medium skin tone. This first one is by Marc Jacobs and it's called Roleplay. It's the lip gel. I love this formula. It goes on really smooth and it's very comfortable and I would say pretty hydrating, and I have kind of dry lips right now. And the color is just perfect for my skin tone. It's kind of a very nice pinky nude color, but it's not you know, it's like your lips but better, and it's just like such a creamy, nice demi sheen that it has. Just so flattering. I love this one. This next one is one of my absolute favorites for fall. I wear it all the time. It's the color CEO and it's by LORAC. These are their alter ego lipsticks, which by far is my absolute favorite lipstick formula. I have tons of shades in this range, and you can see it's got kind of a really natural finish. It's not completely matte and drying, but it doesn't have too much gloss or anything to it either. And this is more of like a tea rose color that I think is super flattering on medium skin. Love it. The next color is also by LORAC, an alter ego lipstick, and it's called Fashionista. This is so pretty, you guys. It's a darker pink color. LORAC describes it as a dark rose color, and so you can see it's really not like a nude anymore. And this rose gold limited edition packaging is actually part of a collection that they did with Kohl's, which I believe is still available right now actually. And so you can get this gorgeous shade that is so flattering. It's got that little something extra, but really sweet. This next one is a really pretty red by Bobbi Brown. The color is so pretty in the tube. And this actually kind of goes on as, I would say, a pinkish cherry kind of a red. But I did feel like this is a little bit more sheer in the formula. It goes on really nicely, but I found this a little bit less hydrating, but it's sort of a really pretty cherry red. This next one is by Rimmel London, and I just love this shade. It didn't really have a name, it's just number 30 on the bottom, but this is more of a berry toned, not really red, it's like a dark berry pink, and it's so pretty, or like a wine toned kind of a pink, and I just think this is gorgeous for fall. It's really bright, it kind of has a blue undertone, so it makes your teeth look whiter too, but I just think this is so gorgeous and flattering for an evening look for fall. This color is so unique. It's the only one that I have like this in my whole collection, and it's by ColourPop in these stick type lipsticks, and it's kind of like a dry liquid lipstick type of a thing. It's called Secret Stash, and it's such a gorgeous like brick red, very warm terracotta or burnt orange kind of a color, and I've never tried anything on like this, but I'm obsessed. I think I'm gonna wear this all fall, and it's just so warm, and I never usually go for like orangey reds, but this is just so unique and so different. This would not be a fall lipstick video without a really gorgeous dark wine red color. This is the color Dominatrix by LORAC, another alter ego lipstick. I just think this is so vampy and dark. It really reminds me of a Revlon color I used to wear like in high school called Blackberry. If you were growing up in the 90s or in high school in the 90s, you'll know what I'm talking about, but look at this color, you guys. It's just like a beautiful, really vampy, dark cherry kind of a color, and I would not really wear this during the day. This is so far beyond my comfort zone of like nudes and pinks, but it's just gorgeous and something you have to have in your collection, especially for kind of, you know, nights out. So pretty. Let me know down below which color was your favorite. I would love to know. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!